Your body might be silently breaking down right now, and you wouldn't even know it. Hidden inflammation, toxin buildup, and nutrient deficiencies are slowly damaging your energy, your organs, even your future health. But here's the shocking truth. The solution isn't in pills. It's already in your kitchen. In today's video, you'll discover 12 powerful healing foods that can repair your body naturally, and one of them might completely change how you feel starting today. It starts quietly, deep inside your gut. Natural healing and antibacterial power. Raw honey. Raw honey has been used for centuries as a powerful natural healer, and it's far more than just a sweet treat. Unlike processed sugar, raw honey is packed with enzymes, antioxidants, and antibacterial compounds that actively help your body fight harmful bacteria and reduce inflammation. It works gently but effectively, supporting your immune system while helping your body defend itself from infections and internal damage. What makes raw honey even more powerful is its ability to soothe and repair your digestive system. It can help balance gut bacteria, reduce irritation in the stomach lining, and promote better digestion overall. A healthier gut means better nutrient absorption, stronger immunity, and more stable energy levels throughout the day. This is why many people notice improved digestion and less bloating when they start including raw honey in their routine. And here's something most people don't realize. Raw honey can actually support tissue repair and recovery. It has natural wound healing properties, helps reduce oxidative stress, and may even improve sleep when taken before bed. Just a small amount daily can provide your body with a steady source of healing compounds that work behind the scenes to restore and protect your health. It's one of the simplest yet most powerful additions you can make to start repairing your body naturally. Before we move to the next food, don't forget to grab your free ebook, Top 30 No Sugar Foods for Fast Weight Loss. It's waiting for you in the description and first comment. A small fruit with powerful protection, antioxidant powerhouse, blueberries. Blueberries might look simple, but inside them is one of the most powerful defenses your body can use against damage and aging. They're loaded with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which help neutralize free radicals, the unstable molecules that silently damage your cells every single day. This means blueberries don't just protect your body, they actively help slow down the internal wear and tear that leads to fatigue, inflammation, and long-term health issues. But what really makes blueberries stand out is their impact on your brain. Regular consumption has been linked to improved memory, sharper focus, and better cognitive function over time. They help reduce oxidative stress in the brain, which is one of the main causes of mental decline as we age. That's why many experts consider blueberries a true brain food, supporting not just how you feel physically, but how clearly you think and perform every day. And it doesn't stop there. Blueberries also play a key role in repairing your body from the inside out. They help reduce inflammation, support heart health by improving blood flow, and even contribute to healthier skin by protecting against damage from toxins and environmental stress. Adding just a handful of blueberries to your daily routine can give your body a consistent stream of protective nutrients that work quietly but powerfully to keep you healthy and strong. Your body's natural detox switch, powerful cleansing support, broccoli. Broccoli might not look exciting on your plate, but inside your body it works like a powerful detox machine. It's rich in a compound called sulforaphane, which activates your body's natural detoxification systems. This means it helps your liver break down toxins, eliminate harmful substances, and protect your cells from damage. In a world full of processed foods and environmental toxins, broccoli becomes one of your strongest defenses. What makes broccoli even more powerful is its ability to reduce inflammation while supporting long-term health. Chronic inflammation is one of the root causes of many diseases, and broccoli helps calm that internal stress. It's packed with fiber, which supports digestion and feeds the good bacteria in your gut. A healthier gut leads to better immunity, improved energy, and more efficient healing throughout your body. And here's where broccoli truly shines. It helps protect and repair your cells at a deeper level. Its unique blend of vitamins, antioxidants, and plant compounds supports your body's ability to regenerate and defend itself. Some studies even suggest it may help reduce the risk of certain chronic diseases. Adding broccoli regularly to your meals isn't just eating vegetables, it's actively giving your body the tools it needs to cleanse, repair, and stay strong. Deep healing from within. Powerful omega-3 repair. Salmon. Salmon isn't just another protein source. It's one of the most powerful healing foods for your entire body. It's loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for reducing inflammation, the hidden cause behind fatigue, joint pain, and many chronic diseases. These healthy fats help repair damaged cells, support your heart, and keep your body functioning smoothly at a deeper level. But what truly sets salmon apart is its impact on your brain and nervous system. Omega-3s play a crucial role in maintaining brain health, improving memory, and supporting mood balance. Regularly eating salmon can help reduce brain fog, improve focus, and even lower the risk of cognitive decline over time. It's like giving your brain the fuel it needs to stay sharp, clear, and energized. And beyond that, salmon also supports your body's natural recovery process. It's rich in high-quality protein that helps rebuild tissues, repair muscles, and promote faster healing after stress or physical activity. Combined with its anti-inflammatory benefits, salmon becomes one of the most effective foods you can eat to restore your body, protect your health, and feel stronger from the inside out. Nature's green shield, nutrient-packed protection, spinach. Spinach may look simple, but inside your body it acts like a powerful protective shield. It's loaded with essential vitamins like A, C, and K, along with iron and antioxidants that help defend your cells from damage. These nutrients work together to support your immune system, helping your body fight off illness while reducing the effects of daily stress and environmental toxins. What makes spinach even more powerful is how it supports your blood and energy levels. The iron in spinach helps your body produce healthy red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout your body. Better oxygen flow means more energy, improved endurance, and less fatigue. At the same time, its antioxidants help reduce inflammation, allowing your body to function more efficiently and recover faster. And here's where spinach truly shines. It helps your body repair and regenerate at a deeper level. Its unique combination of nutrients supports cell renewal, protects your heart, and promotes healthy circulation. Whether you add it to salads, smoothies, or meals, spinach works quietly in the background, strengthening your body, supporting healing, and keeping you feeling strong and energized every day. Tiny but powerful, nutrient-dense fuel, almonds. Almonds may be small, but they deliver a powerful combination of nutrients that your body needs to repair and stay strong. They're packed with healthy fats, vitamin E, and antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage caused by stress and toxins. These nutrients work together to reduce inflammation, support heart health, and keep your body functioning at its best every single day. What makes almonds especially valuable is their ability to provide clean, long-lasting energy. Unlike sugary snacks that spike your blood sugar and leave you crashing, almonds help stabilize your energy levels and keep you feeling full longer. Their magnesium content also plays a key role in muscle function, nerve health, and overall recovery, making them an excellent daily snack for both physical and mental performance. And beyond that, almonds actively support your body's repair system from the inside out. They help improve skin health, protect against oxidative stress, and promote better overall wellness. Just a handful a day can give your body a steady stream of healing nutrients that work quietly in the background, strengthening, repairing, and protecting you over time. Ancient medicine, still powerful today. Natural immune defense, garlic. Garlic has been used for thousands of years as a natural remedy, and its power is still unmatched today. At the heart of its benefits is a compound called allicin, which gives garlic its strong smell and its incredible ability to fight bacteria, viruses, and harmful pathogens. This makes garlic one of the most effective natural foods for strengthening your immune system and protecting your body from illness. What makes garlic even more impressive is its ability to reduce inflammation and support heart health. It helps improve blood circulation, lower blood pressure, and reduce harmful cholesterol levels. These effects work together to protect your cardiovascular system while easing the internal stress that can lead to long-term health problems. It's a simple ingredient that delivers powerful protection every time you consume it. And beyond protection, garlic actively supports your body's repair and recovery processes. It helps detoxify the body, supports liver function, and reduces oxidative damage at the cellular level. Adding garlic regularly to your meals isn't just about flavor. It's about giving your body a natural tool to heal, defend, and stay strong in the face of everyday challenges. Sweet, but healing, vitamin C repair boost, strawberries. Strawberries may taste like a treat, but inside your body they work like a powerful repair system. They're packed with vitamin C, one of the most important nutrients for healing tissues and strengthening your immune system. This vitamin helps your body produce collagen, which is essential for repairing skin, blood vessels, and even internal tissues. At the same time, the antioxidants in strawberries help protect your cells from daily damage caused by stress and toxins. What makes strawberries even more impressive is their ability to fight inflammation while supporting heart health. They contain natural compounds that help improve blood flow, reduce oxidative stress, and protect your cardiovascular system. This means better circulation, more oxygen delivered to your cells, and a stronger, more efficient body overall. It's a simple fruit with powerful effects happening beneath the surface. And beyond that, strawberries contribute to your body's natural defense and renewal process. They help support healthy skin, slow down signs of aging, and keep your immune system strong and responsive. Adding a handful of strawberries to your daily routine gives your body a steady supply of healing nutrients that work quietly in the background, repairing, protecting, and helping you feel your best every day. A root with powerful effects, deep anti-inflammatory healing, ginger. Ginger may look simple, but inside your body, it works like a powerful natural medicine. It contains bioactive compounds like gingerol, which have strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These compounds help reduce internal inflammation, the hidden cause behind many chronic issues like joint pain, fatigue, and digestive discomfort. By calming this inflammation, ginger helps your body function more smoothly and recover more effectively. What makes ginger even more valuable is its impact on digestion. It helps stimulate digestive enzymes, reduce bloating, and ease stomach discomfort. Many people use ginger to relieve nausea, but its benefits go far beyond that. It actually helps your gut process food more efficiently, allowing your body to absorb nutrients better. A healthier digestive system means more energy, stronger immunity, and a more balanced body overall. And beyond digestion, ginger plays a key role in supporting your body's natural healing process. It helps boost circulation, strengthen the immune system, and protect your cells from oxidative stress. Whether added to tea, meals, or smoothies, ginger works quietly in the background, helping your body repair, recover, and stay resilient against everyday stress and damage. Hidden in nature, powerful cellular repair, immune-boosting compounds, mushrooms. Mushrooms may seem simple, but inside your body they act like a powerful defense system. They're rich in compounds called beta-glucans, which help activate your immune system and strengthen your body's ability to fight infections. Instead of just reacting to illness, mushrooms help train your immune system to respond faster and more effectively, making your body more resilient over time. What makes mushrooms even more impressive is their role in reducing inflammation and supporting long-term health. They contain antioxidants and unique plant compounds that help protect your cells from damage and reduce internal stress. Certain varieties like shiitake, maitake, and reishi are especially known for their ability to support immune balance and promote overall wellness. This makes mushrooms one of the most underrated healing foods you can add to your diet. And beyond protection, mushrooms actively support your body's repair and recovery process. They can help improve energy levels, support brain health, and even assist in maintaining healthy cellular function. Adding mushrooms regularly to your meals isn't just about nutrition, it's about giving your body powerful natural tools to heal, protect, and stay strong from the inside out. Simple, yet essential, complete protein for repair, eggs. Eggs might be one of the most basic foods in your kitchen, but inside your body they play a powerful role in repair and recovery. They're considered a complete protein, meaning they contain all the essential amino acids your body needs to rebuild tissues, repair muscles, and support overall healing. This makes eggs one of the most efficient and effective foods you can eat to strengthen your body from the inside out. What makes eggs even more valuable is their rich nutrient profile beyond just protein. They're packed with important vitamins like B12 and D, along with choline, a key nutrient that supports brain function and liver health. Choline plays a critical role in maintaining memory, focus, and even protecting your cells from damage. This combination of nutrients helps your body not only repair itself, but also perform better mentally and physically. And beyond that, eggs provide long-lasting energy and help stabilize your blood sugar levels. Unlike processed foods that cause spikes and crashes, eggs keep you feeling full, satisfied, and energized for longer periods. Adding eggs regularly to your meals gives your body a steady supply of essential building blocks it needs to repair, recover, and stay strong every single day. bright color, deep healing, vision, and cell protection. Carrots. Carrots may seem simple, but inside your body, they act like a powerful repair system. They're rich in beta-carotene, a compound your body converts into vitamin A, essential for maintaining healthy vision, supporting your immune system, and protecting your cells from damage. This nutrient helps your body defend itself against daily stress, toxins, and environmental damage, making carrots a key player in long-term health. What makes carrots even more powerful is their ability to support your body's natural healing and renewal process. Their antioxidants help reduce inflammation and protect your cells from oxidative stress, which is one of the main causes of aging and chronic disease. At the same time, carrots contribute to healthier skin by supporting collagen production and protecting against damage from within. And beyond that, carrots support your overall wellness in a simple but effective way. They help improve digestion thanks to their fiber content, support heart health, and provide steady, natural energy. Adding carrots to your daily routine gives your body a consistent source of healing nutrients that work quietly in the background, protecting, repairing, and helping you feel stronger every day. Your body has an incredible ability to heal itself, but only if you give it the right fuel. Adding even a few of these foods into your daily routine can start making a real difference in how you feel, how you look, and how your body functions. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which of these foods you're already eating. And don't forget, your free ebook, Top 30 No Sugar Foods for Fast Weight Loss, is waiting for you in the description and the first comment. Start feeding your body what it truly needs, and it will reward you in ways you never expected.